Have you ever wondered what it really means to have a personality? Many people think it's something you're born with or that it's difficult to develop. But the truth is, getting a personality is much easier than you might think. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps anyone can take to unlock their unique self. Whether you feel like you blend into the background or just want to express yourself more confidently, you'll find practical tips here to help you stand out and feel comfortable in your own skin. Start with the basics. What exactly is personality? Personality is the combination of characteristics, behaviors, and attitudes that make you who you are. It's not just about being outgoing or funny, it's about how you see the world and how you interact with others. Everyone has a personality, even if it doesn't always feel that way. The good news is you can shape and develop yours with a few simple changes. First step to building a personality is self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your likes, dislikes, strengths, and weaknesses. What makes you happy? What are you passionate about? By understanding yourself better, you can start to express your true self more confidently. Self-awareness is the foundation for all personal growth and helps you connect with others in a genuine way. No two people are exactly alike, and that's what makes the world interesting. Embracing your uniqueness is a key part of developing a personality. Don't be afraid to show your quirks or share your opinions. The more you accept yourself, the more others will appreciate your authenticity. Remember, being yourself is always more attractive than trying to fit in. One of the easiest ways to develop your personality is to try new things. Step out of your comfort zone and explore different hobbies, activities, or social situations. Each new experience teaches you something about yourself and adds depth to your character. Whether it's learning a new skill or meeting new people, every experience helps you grow. Developing a personality isn't just about talking or being the center of attention. It's also about listening and observing. Pay attention to how others express themselves, what makes them interesting, and how they interact. You can learn a lot by simply being present and attentive. This helps you pick up on social cues and develop empathy, both important parts of a well-rounded personality. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts and opinions. Having a personality means having your own perspective on things. Whether it's about movies, music, or world events, expressing your opinions shows confidence and helps others get to know you better. Just remember to be respectful and open-minded when discussing different viewpoints. Your interests are a big part of your personality. Spend time doing what you love, whether it's reading, sports, art, or technology. The more you invest in your interests, the more passionate and interesting you become. Plus, sharing your hobbies with others can help you connect and make friends who appreciate the real you. Curiosity is a powerful tool for building personality. Ask questions, seek out new information, and never stop learning. Curious people are often seen as engaging and thoughtful because they show genuine interest in the world around them. Curiosity leads to growth and helps you stay open to new ideas and experiences. Kindness never goes out of style. Being considerate and compassionate towards others not only makes you more likable but also adds depth to your personality. Small acts of kindness like listening to a friend or helping someone in need show that you care. These qualities make you memorable and help you build strong, lasting relationships. It's easy to feel pressured to act a certain way to fit in, but the most important part of having a personality is staying true to yourself. Don't change who you are just to please others. Authenticity is attractive and helps you form genuine connections. Trust that your real self is enough. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's okay. What matters is how you handle them. Use your mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Admitting when you're wrong and making an effort to improve shows maturity and resilience, two traits that add depth to your personality. Having a personality doesn't mean being stubborn or set in your ways. Stay open to new ideas and perspectives. Being open-minded helps you adapt, learn, and connect with a wider range of people. It also makes conversations more interesting and helps you grow as a person. Look up to people who inspire you. Role models can be anyone, family, friends, or public figures. Notice what you admire about them and think about how you can incorporate those qualities into your own life. Learning from others is a great way to shape your personality while still staying true to yourself. Good communication is essential for expressing your personality. Practice speaking clearly, listening actively, and using body language to show your feelings. Clear communication helps you connect with others and ensures your unique traits shine through. A positive attitude is contagious and attractive. Focus on the good in situations and try to see challenges as opportunities. Positivity helps you handle stress and setbacks with grace, making your personality more appealing to others. Reliability is a key trait of a strong personality. When you keep your promises and follow through on commitments, people learn they can trust you. Being reliable builds your reputation and strengthens your relationships. Expressing gratitude is a simple way to enrich your personality. Thank people for their help, appreciate the little things, and acknowledge the good in your life. Gratitude makes you more approachable and helps you maintain a positive outlook. Take an interest in the people around you, ask questions, listen to their stories, and remember details about their lives. Showing curiosity about others makes you more engaging and helps you build deeper connections. A good sense of humor is a great asset, but it's important to balance it with sensitivity. Use humor to lighten the mood and connect with others, but be mindful not to offend. The right balance makes you fun to be around and shows emotional intelligence. Consistency in your actions and words builds trust and reliability. When people know what to expect from you, it's easier to form strong relationships. Consistency also helps you stay grounded and true to your values. Life is full of changes, and being adaptable is a valuable part of personality. Embrace new situations and be willing to adjust your approach when needed. Adaptability shows resilience and helps you thrive in any environment. Having goals gives your personality direction and purpose. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your progress. Working towards something meaningful adds motivation and helps you grow as a person. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is essential for a healthy personality. Make time for rest, relaxation, and activities that recharge you. Self-care helps you stay balanced and ready to face life's challenges. Honesty is a cornerstone of a strong personality. Speak the truth, even when it's difficult, and be transparent about your intentions. Honesty builds trust and respect in all your relationships. Humility is an attractive trait. Recognize your strengths but don't boast. Be willing to admit when you don't know something and learn from others. Humility keeps you grounded and approachable. Appreciate diversity in yourself and others. Celebrate what makes you and those around you unique. Embracing differences leads to richer experiences and a more dynamic personality. Personal growth is a lifelong journey. Always look for ways to improve and challenge yourself. Growth keeps your personality fresh and interesting and helps you adapt to whatever life throws your way. As you can see, getting a personality isn't about changing who you are or pretending to be someone else. It's about embracing your unique qualities, staying curious, and connecting with others. By following these simple steps, you'll find that developing a personality is not only easy but also rewarding. Remember, the journey to self-discovery is ongoing, and every step you take brings you closer to your best self. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover how easy it is to develop a personality. Remember, it's all about being yourself, staying open to new experiences, and connecting with the world around you. With these tips, you're well on your way to unlocking your unique self and living a more confident, fulfilling life.